Welcome to the official YouTube home of More Than a Mind. What began as a verbal documentary of life after a traumatic brain injury is continuing to evolve. Through 2 seasons of honest conversations, reflections, and lived experiences, this project has explored what it means to rebuild a life when the future looks different than expected. Season 1 was the journey of awareness. Together we explored the injury itself, the invisible realities of cognitive fatigue, the emotional weight of shame, rebuilding trust in a changing brain, and the question that many survivors quietly ask, will I ever be the same again? It was a season about understanding what happened, naming what was lost, and discovering that awareness is often the first step toward healing. Season 2 moved into the work of rebuilding in real time. We explored overstimulation, rest, migraines, faith, healthcare systems, relationships, identity, and the challenges of continuing forward without a clear blueprint. Rather than looking backward at what was lost, this season focused on learning how to live within the reality of what is, and how to rebuild one decision, one day, and one practice at a time. As the podcast has grown, so has the vision behind it. This channel represents the next stage of that journey. In addition to the podcast, you'll begin to find restoration tools, reflection resources, educational content, and practical frameworks designed around 3 principles: listen, practice, restore. If you're new here, I encourage you to begin at morethanamind.com, where the resources are organized to help you explore at your own pace. You'll also notice that this channel intentionally keeps visual stimulation to a minimum. Many members of this community live with brain injuries, migraines, sensory sensitivities, or cognitive fatigue. Rather than competing for attention, our goal is to create space for understanding. More Than a Mind is proudly sponsored by Mile High Companions, LLC, and supports annual brain injury awareness efforts through the Pikes Peak Challenge benefiting the Brain Injury Alliance of Colorado. Every story shared, resource created, and conversation started contributes to a larger mission of increasing awareness and making invisible experiences more visible. Whether you're a survivor, a caregiver, a family member, a friend, or simply someone seeking a deeper understanding of the human experience, we're grateful you're here. Welcome to the next chapter of More Than a Mind. Healing is not linear, it's human.